Hi everyone, my name is Sunshine and today I'm going to show you how to use these math manipulatives. They're called Cuisenaire rods and you can buy them on Amazon, but you can also make them at home. So these are made of cardboard and all you need is like a box cutter, a ruler, some coloring materials and markers, and you can make it. It's very inexpensive to do and make, and I've provided detailed instructions on my portfolio, so you can go ahead and check that out. And as you can see, I've made 1 centimeters all the way to 10 centimeters. And these are going to be very useful when teaching math. So let's get started. So the first thing we can actually do with our manipulatives is counting. So I have these 1 centimeter blocks, and it's simple. You can use these to count. So we got 1, 2, and 3. In addition to that, you can show them multiplication with these blocks. So we have 5 times 1 equals 5. 1. 5 times 2 equals 10, right? 5 times 3 equals 15. So that's a visual representation of how multiplication is done. We can also do adding and subtracting with Cuisenaire rods. So we have a 10 base, a 10 centimeter rod, right? And we want to know what numbers make up 10. So we can do 5 plus 5, right? So we know 5 plus 5 would make 10. We can go further and see that 4 plus 4 plus 2 can make 10. 4, 4, 2 will make 10. So when it comes to subtracting, we can do the same thing, a little bit of the same process. So we know that 7 plus 3 make up 10, since we're doing that for addition. But we can also do the reverse in subtraction. We know that 10 minus 3 is going to be 7, or 10 minus 7 is going to be 3. So we can also do division with this. So we know that 6 divided by 2 equals 3, because we have this visual representation. Right? It can also be used for fractions. So if we treat 6 as 1 whole, we know that this is a half and this is a half. We can also provide a visual representation of 1/6 with our 1 centimeter blocks. So we know that this is 1/6 because this is 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Same thing. We can also use 3 as a whole number. This is a whole. And we know that this is 1/3. The reverse is not a little confusing. This one right here is 1/3. Alright guys, thank you for joining me today. Just to recap on what we can do with these Cuisenaire rods, we can add, we can subtract, we can multiply, divide, fractions, and of course very basic counting.